Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra, and for this video I will be styling my hair with pump hair care products, and I will also be reviewing these products, letting you guys know how it worked for me and what I liked about it. So I'm going to start by washing my hair with their Curly Girl shampoo. This shampoo is silicone free, sulfate free, organic, and cruelty free. As soon as I apply this product in my hair, I noticed how gentle this shampoo is. A lot of the shampoos that I've tried before, they're so harsh and they leave my hair feeling hard. But this one, it made my hair super soft and my hair felt moisturized. This is a gentle shampoo and it's made with organic argan oil, which helps control frizz. Once I rinse all of the shampoo out, I'm going to go in with their Curly Girl conditioner, and this is made with pure virgin argan oil and sweet almond oil. I'm going to lather it in my hair, leave it in for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to brush my hair. It leaves my hair looking and feeling so healthy, shiny, and moisturized. I'm going to be sectioning my hair so that I could start applying their Curly Girl 2-in-1 Define and Repair Cream. And because I have so much hair, it'll be easier for me to section off my hair in smaller sections so that I could really get the product in the hair. This product is made to define your curls, hydrate your curls, and it also acts as a leave-in treatment at the same time. It has nourishing extracts and butters to make sure that your hair is tamed and frizz-free. Once I'm done applying the product in that section, I like to scrunch my hair, and I do this to start activating my curls and my hair, and this just adds extra definition to my hair. But I pretty much repeat these same steps until I have the product applied throughout my entire hair. Once I'm done applying the styling product in my hair, I then take about 3 pumps of the product and I just scrunch it to my hair all over. Once I'm done putting product, I'm going to take a microfiber towel and scrunch it in my hair. This will help get rid of excess product and will also help with my curl definition. For the drying part, you could choose to diffuse your hair or air dry. I personally prefer air drying, so I'm going to do that until the next day. Once my hair is fully dry, I'm going to be separating the curls, shaking my hair up, using a pick to pick it out and add volume to my hair. I'm going to do this until I'm happy with how big my hair is, but day one, my hair isn't always as big as I want it to be. The more days go by, the bigger it gets. So I just do this until I'm happy with the way it looks. Now I'm going to be going in with a Miracle Curl oil and I'm going to be applying this to my hair. This is an oil that has 4 organic ingredients, and it has 4 benefits. It adds shine, it reduces frizz, it acts as a heat protectant as well, and it also adds moisture to your hair. And these are the results from using the Pump Hair Care Curly Girl line, and I am in love with the results. The conditioner and the shampoo left my hair feeling super healthy and super moisturized, and my favorite thing about this line is the styling cream and the fact that I only had to use 1 product. I usually have to use 2 to 3 products to get the results that I want in my hair, but with this line I only had to use 1, and it left my hair looking amazing. As you can see for yourself, it's super shiny, super healthy, there's volume, barely any frizz, and the oil helped achieve this look even further. So I am super happy with the results. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you plan on trying this product, please let me know how it went for you and if you liked it. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys on the next video.